Now that the wing is halfway up, I'm going to get it all the rest of the with another set of towels pushed in at the very edge of the wing, right there. There. Now it's up in the air. I've lined up the little hole here on this outer chrome ram with the inner hole. And I'm going to turn this thing counterclockwise. Sometimes the factory glues this in. Yeah, this one's not going to budge. So I'm going to use an extension like this, pin wrench, and pull it that way, and easy as can be. Now, what's going to happen is this is going to fly up, and the ram is going to fly down. So I'm going to grab the wing carefully and hold it during this procedure. This is really a two-person job, and you can see I've protected the car's finish, and I'm very careful with this wrench, and it's coming quite loose now. And you'll see this ram fly back into the car because it's under tremendous spring pressure. My hydraulic system is not working. This is how I bought the car. This is a screwed in fitting on the wing. Continue to unscrew it until the wing comes completely loose. We're getting close. I hope that I don't damage the paint on my car, because this wrench is going to want to fly back in as well when that finally comes loose. Notice I've protected everything with the towels to protect the finish. I'm running this wrench around. There it goes. That's it. Now we're loose. Okay, the wing is off, and you can see quite dirty, this wing. Getting the last side off here created quite a mess. A lot of debris came off of the ram set when it snapped back in. So be very careful. This is really a two-man job. I did it by myself. I kind of have done this before, and you can see what the wing looks like. There are two bushings here that are secured to the fiberglass wing, and they have threads in them. Other side, same as that. And they thread into these two fittings right there. The owner told me that the wing works intermittently, but I can tell by how dirty it is. It hasn't been up and down for quite a long time. You can see what it looks like here. I don't think this system's worked in a long time.